around, browse around and see if you like me. And if you do, make sure you subscribe. Today I will be reviewing a wig from Allie Grace. This is a 26-inch 250 density wig with a 4x4 lace closure. One thing I did not mention in the video is that this wig was $228, but the link will be in the description box below. So yeah, this wig is really good, but you'll see all that in the video. So if you're interested, let's just get straight into the video. Hey y'all, I just got my wig from Allie Grace, and if you can't tell, I am pretty freaking excited.
I don't want to hear all that. What's wrong?
Like, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this wig for like 2 weeks. I ordered this like 2 weeks ago, and y'all, this feel like a whole brand new wig.
Bust. Bitch on what? Bitch on bust. Bitch on.
Well, she tried. At least, you know, she...
So what came in the bag, of course, was the hair, and they also put a wig cap in. I don't really use wig caps on my wigs, but yeah, they gave me that. They also gave me this card. It says 5 stars, feedback, basically just telling us how to wash the hair, how to treat the hair, and the contents and cash rewards if we decide to promote it. Mind you guys, this is not a paid promotion. I bought this with my own coin.
What kind of shit is that?
This is the wig without the hairnet on it. I got 26 inches and I got a 4x4 closure. The closure is pre-plugged, as you guys can see. I don't really plug my wigs that much, so this looks pretty good to me. The baby hairs are here too, but you know, we're gonna have to cut this because these baby hairs are too long. But yeah guys, I got 250 density, so it is full. I'm very excited because this is my first time doing 250 density, and this is also my first time doing a 4x4, but I think it'll be easier. I really just wanted a middle part. I didn't want to customize it that much. Since this came pre-plugged, I really don't have to customize it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with this install. Okay guys, so right now I'm just taking my finishing powder from Morphe and just putting it on the lace so it can kind of give that scalp look instead of bleaching the lace. So I take my freeze spray and spray it on the lace because I want the makeup to set in there so it won't be moving around. So this wig does come with combs. It comes with one on each side, one in the middle and one in the back, and it also comes with an adjustable strap. So this is the wig on my head before I cut the lace. I'm gonna take a brush and brush through it, and I'm just trying to test to see if it sheds, but it does kind of shed just a little bit, maybe 1 strand out of like 5 brushes. With cutting the lace, I do try to do a little jagged look. I'm gonna give a close-up of it. It doesn't really look jagged, but either way it's gonna lay because it looks like a very good lace. Okay, so now I'm just pushing the lace back, and I'm going to take my gel to push my edges back, and I'll be using my Got To Be glue on my forehead and just waiting for it to clear up so I can apply the lace onto it. Okay guys, now that the glue is dry, I'm just giving a close-up on how I lay my wigs. I really just get the lace and put it on top of the glue and press it in. Also, if there's any flyaways, I just get my freeze spray and spray it and then pat that in as well, and then I put a scarf on. So here's how much the hair has shed. It's not a lot, so I think that's a good thing. Now I'm just straightening the hair while my lace sets in. Alright, so now I'm just going to try to start to do my baby hairs. I'm going to show you guys how I cut it, but I couldn't really do my baby hairs on camera, so I stopped the camera and just did them off camera. So you'll see me like come back with them done. So now I'm just getting my mousse and laying down the top of my head. I'm going to brush it with my edge brush it with the regular brush, and then I'm also going to get my hot comb just to make sure that the top is really, really flat. So now getting into the lace, I'm taking my Morphe's finishing powder and just patting the makeup onto the lace. I didn't really have to do this step over, but I decided to just so everything could lay really nice and it looked really nice. But after I do the front of my lace, I also use my concealer to create that part look in the middle as well. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like straightened. I did lay some baby hairs down and I flattened up the top. Now I do think the hair did straighten really well, but the only thing is you might want to use oil when straightening the hair because it is like a lot of flyaways, as you can see right here. But as far as shedding, I don't think it sheds a lot. It does shed though. just not a lot. So you see how I just combed it out with the comb? You kind of see like one strand every time you pull. But to me, that's not bad. It's not tangly. I can kind of rough the hair up and still like brush it through. But it is a fresh new wig, so that's what's expected. But so I do like the hair straight, but I'm gonna go ahead and crimp it up so I can see how it looks crimped, and so you guys can see if it takes heat to curl as well. So yeah, let's just get straight into that. Okay guys, so this is how the hair took the curls. It took really well. I just don't know how to curl really, but I'm just combing them out so you guys can see that as well. So this is them combed out, brushed out, and you guys can see how full it is as well. But yeah, so this is the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and get dressed so you guys can see it. Okay guys, so this is the hair with me dressed up, my edges, and I straightened the hair back. I like it straight, so as you guys can tell, it does take heat very well. Overall, I do like the hair. Like I said, it sheds just a little bit, but it's not that bad at all. Like, you might get shedding if you tug on it real hard, but that's with any wig. Yeah, for me to just try out a closure, I feel like this was a really nice closure. It melted nice, the lace melted nice, and you know, the baby hairs look good. I feel like the wig is really good. If I was to rate this hair, it would be a 10 out of 10. But yeah, if you guys did like this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.